Hey guys, in this video we're gonna be checking out the top 10 best aerial yoga hammocks that are available on the market for their true quality.
I made this list based on my personal opinion and hours of research, and I've listed them based on quality, durability, price, and more. I've included options for every type of consumer, so if you're looking for an entry-level option or the best product money can buy, we all have the product for you. If you want more information and updated pricing on the products mentioned, be sure to check the links in the description down below. Okay, so let's get started with the video.
Starting at number 10, we have the Welsome Elastic Pilates Yoga Aerial Swing Yoga Hammock. Welsome Aerial Yoga Hammock is made from 5 meters length and 2.8 meters width of 40 denier nylon tricot fabric. This fabric is a stretchy material. It is very comfortable for your body and skin. This flying yoga hammock has a unique design. You can use this aerial hammock not only yoga but also dance, circus, and fun. The aerial yoga hammock is similar to the material you find on the stages of Cirque du Soleil and many other circus and dance theaters around the world. 40 denier nylon tricot is a two-way stretch, so the fabric has a low to no stretch when it is banded together like a swing, and when you cocoon inside the hammock. This aerial yoga hammock can comfortably hang in 2 to 3.5 meters height room. You can adjust the length of the hammock by fabric knot and daisy chain loop. Also, you can use room ceiling, pull-up bar, beam or tree to hang this aerial yoga hammock. Finally, I want to say Welsome Aerial Yoga Hammock is perfectly matched for do aerial yoga, yoga swing, yoga sling, aerial dance, aerial fitness, air yoga, aerial hammock, anti-gravity yoga, Unnata yoga, suspension yoga, gravity yoga, anti-gravity yoga, flying yoga, aerial Pilates, Pilates hammock. Moving on at number 9, we have the Dasking Premium Aerial Yoga Hammock Kit. Dasking Premium Aerial Yoga Hammock Kit is a wonderful equipment for dancers, yoga or Pilates. Dasking Aerial Yoga Hammock made from durable 40 denier nylon low stretch fabric. You can buy this yoga hammock 3 different colors like orange, dark green and black. You can use this yoga hammock not only indoor, durable ceiling, stable shelf, but also outdoor, stable shelf, tree. At number 8, we have the X Habits Pro Professional 11 Yards Aerial Yoga Hammock Kit for all levels. This is a great aerial yoga hammock kit for doing yoga in your home easily. You can feel the amazing pull of gravity on your body as you suspend yourself using this divine silky fabric. X Habits Pro Aerial Yoga Hammock is the highest quality aerial yoga equipment kit available right now. This yoga hammock kit perfectly fit for doing aerial yoga, anti-gravity yoga, Unnata yoga, suspension yoga, gravity yoga, anti-gravity yoga, flying yoga, and aerial Pilates. This is perfect for any level yogi who wants to fly at home or the studio. The X Habits Aerial Yoga Hammock can improve your strength and balance. X Habits design the most effective aerial silks for you. At number 7, we have the F Life Aerial Yoga Hammock. F Life Aerial Yoga Hammock made from 10 meters long 40 denier nylon tricot fabric. This is the same type of fabric used in Cirque du Soleil performances. This yoga aerial hammock kit comes with a knot tying guide to follow instructions set up this safe and easy. This is ideal for acrobat yoga, aerial performances, acrobat performances, aerial yoga, yoga swing, yoga sling, aerial dance, aerial fitness, air yoga, aerial hammock, Unnata yoga, suspension yoga, gravity yoga, anti-gravity yoga, flying yoga, aerial Pilates, and Pilates hammock. At number 6, we have the AUM Active Aerial Yoga Hammock. This is another great aerial yoga hammock for beginners and expert yogis. It made from tricot fabric. So, this aerial silk is soft, durable and cool to touch with a beautiful subtle sheer. You can sit and cocoon comfortably in the hammock as it conforms to your body contour and provides a generous width. You will feel a slight natural stretch but not too much. Hence it is great for both beginners, advanced aerial Pilates and yoga practitioners. The aerial hammock kit comes with aerial silk fabric, 13 feet length, 9 feet width, 2 steel carabiners, 2 extension straps, each 3 feet length, 2 O-slings, and a 2-page guide. Featuring an ironclad weight capacity ensuring your safety practicing on. At number 5, we have the FireToys Professional Aerial Yoga Hammock. This is another great aerial yoga hammock for doing your yoga in sky. The 2.8 meters width of these hammock slings allows you to fully lay out flat for a full meditation session or even get into a full horizontal split, if you're bendy enough, and the 6 meters length means that you're able to adjust the knots on these to a full variety of heights to suit any ceiling. These FireToys aerial yoga hammocks have a small amount of stretch, about 10% across their length, which allows the swing to support you through your workout and means that any moves that require a thin band of silk across the waist or under the arms are cushioned. At number 4, we have the Healthy Model Life Silk Aerial Yoga Swing and Hammock Kit. This is very controllable aerial yoga hammock. It comes with every hardware that needs to install. No need to purchase extra hardware or figure out complicated pieces. This swing is set up and ready to hang on arrival. The daisy chain makes hanging simple for anyone. It is made of very soft silky material. At number 3, we have the Yoga Body Yoga Trapeze Aerial Yoga Hammock Swing. The Yoga Trapeze is one of the most powerful, at-home yoga inversion tools ever created. This is a great tool for relieving your back pain. When you practice passive, inverted backbends on yoga trapeze, you can hold yoga backbend poses much longer without fatigue. This aerial yoga hammock can strengthen and loosens your muscles around the spine naturally, allowing your spine to breathe and self-heal. This made from imported elastic fabric and it is lightweight and comfortable. At number 2, we have the Deluxe Aerial Yoga Hammock. This is one of the high-quality aerial yoga hammocks. The simplicity of the design makes it easy to wash and adds flying functionality, while the vivid colors are a great artistic addition to any space. The Deluxe Flying Yoga Hammock is a continuous 10-yard piece of brilliant aerial fabric, featuring 2 stirrups or handles that can be used for aerial yoga postures, TRX, foot loops, or hand loops. This yoga hammock allows you to cocoon, be totally submersed in fabric, invert, perform aerial yoga postures and much more. And finally at number 1, we have the AUM Active Aerial Silks Beginner Kit. This is another high-quality aerial yoga hammock for beginners and expert yogis. This Studio Choice aerial silk is made of 40 denier tricot 100% nylon. It is soft, easy to grip, cool to touch with a beautiful subtle sheer. Its low to medium stretch weave is so versatile, making it suitable for both beginners learning to climb and advanced aerialists practicing drops. It features tricot 40 denier weave, low to medium stretch, 9 yards long, 108 inches wide, suitable for ceilings 8 to 13 feet, strength 1,800 pounds.
Thanks you for watching guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video is helpful to you, please make sure like, comment and subscribe. If you have any question related to this product you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.